Bro, Honey's so awkward. Look at her. Honey, stop doing weird stuff. You're scaring me. Out here. Get some water. Oh, that's right.
Honey, she doesn't want to go on this side because of the fire.
I can't believe animals are actually scared of fire. Honey doesn't get near her because she's scared of the fire.
I get the fire.
Hopefully, I could put it here. Oh! There we are. Bro, Honey's so awkward. Look at her.
Show her that.
Just hiding in the back of the freaking... Honey, what are you doing? Why are you scared of the fire? Honey, stop doing weird stuff. You're scaring me. I didn't think I was actually going to be able to start a fire, dude. I'm so cool, man. Looks like the water's starting to boil a little bit. I think it's kind of boiling already. I'm gonna eat some of this. I wonder if I could pour this in here. Or is it gonna melt it? I doubt it. Look how it looks inside. It's all dry. It's boiling like crazy now. Oh no, my crackers. Bro, imagine I use this. Ah, that's hot. Here. Look how hot that is. We got some chicken noodle soup now. Look at that. It smells good. You gonna try it out now?
Yeah.
This is really good. I don't even want to give you some. I'm gonna eat it all.
What?
I'm gonna eat it all. I'm not gonna give you some.
Ow, it's hot. They're good.
Oh, it's good?
Mm-hmm.
Can I have some? Okay. Look, it's still steaming with heat.
Yeah. How'd you heat it up? Where's the pan?
I just put water and warmed it up with the pan.
Did you feel cold doing it?
Yeah. I felt like primitive cooking.
You know what it just tastes like?
Like what?
A chicken pot pie.
It might be, honestly.
Huh?
Damn. I can't see my surroundings anymore.
Me either. But you also have the flash on this. Man, that's amazing.
It's really good, huh?
Like,
Where do they go?
go like,
I forgot what they say. Oh!
yeah.
No, no? Something like that. Oh! I forgot what they do. How do they do it?
The primitive cooking.
Oh!
No, you're exaggerating it.
They do
You're
that.
acting like a monkey.
They do that.
They don't do that. They're like, and then they grab the food and eat it. They don't go like,
Oh, okay.
like
Oh! Oh!
yeah, like that. Yeah, they don't do that though. They don't move around.
Yeah, when it's good, yeah.
I never seen that.
What happened to them? I don't see them anymore.
Me either.
You think they were like called out or
Maybe
something?
people found out that they were lying. Like they didn't actually grab a crab from the river. They bought it.
I know. Oh, like they actually bought it? Oh, you can see some stars. A little bit. Is he still watching TV?
Mm-hmm. Well, this is amazing. You can actually buy some and eat it at the house.
Or you could just cook. Straight up.
But we're lazy.
Who's we? It's all you here, right?
You do it too.
I don't cook.
Yeah, you do.
Not my job. Straight up.
I remember you used to.
I know. Look how dark it is. You can't see anything. Because now I bring the bread.
You always work though.
I don't remember cooking. That's when I was single though.
No, you're working.
Heard of that? When did I cook?
You used to make chicken, rice, and broccoli.
On my own. I never did it for you. Look at this kid all comfy. Mira, the iPad kid.
Immediately is the right thing to do, but you have had a severe.
How much did you eat?
Not much.
You know, I got a mad hole now. I think these pants aren't good anymore. Oh, you could sew it, no?
Yeah, but don't you want a new pair? Just get a new pair.
What?
Those are like 4 years old. They're like, you need a new pair.
Are they? No.
You got it in 2020.
2021, huh?
Yeah, 2020.
2020. 5 years old. You want some, huh?
But you eat first. This is good. How much was it?
$10. When I don't have the flashlight on, you don't see anything, just like
Really?
the tent
What about the stars?
and the stars. Not really. But yeah, pretty cool. But look when I turn the light. Wow, you can see everything. Okay guys, I'm gonna go to sleep now. Tomorrow we have a long day, Dana. We have to pack everything up. Ugh. I don't want to hike that. Hiking that is crazy, dude. Like, there's no hiking trail. It's ugly. Whatever. Guys, it's crazy. I could see the Milky Way. I have never seen it. That's so cool. Wow. I want to see the Northern Lights one day. But right now I can see the Milky Way. That's cool. Wow. Come check it out, Dana.
I can't right now.
Hmm.
Carlito's on me. He's calm now.
Oh, well.
He wanted that.
When he falls asleep, I guess.
Okay. It's not moving, is it?
The Milky Way it's always there. So I don't know how to capture photos on this camera, so I did it on my iPhone, and look how it looks outside right now. I think it's too bright. Hold on. Look, I'm telling you, there's a lot of stars. I can't show you, it's dark, but I could see them, and then the iPhone captured it. You see, there's just so many stars. I could see the Big Dipper, and I don't know if I could see the Big Dipper, I'm just kidding, but I could see the Milky Way. That's cool. It's like in the top, but for some reason I can't capture it. I'll try it one more time. Bro, I got it. See, you could see the Milky Way. It's right there. That's so cool. Dana's in there with Bebito. We're still at the fire. So its lights on. Still here. It just sucks you guys can't see outside. Oh man. I wish I had a professional camera that could capture the lights, but I think you need some certain camera and lens. It's probably super expensive, so yeah, I mean, go camping, you'll see it. It's insane. Pretty cool, dude. It's like, it looks like I'm in the, have you guys been to the observatory and one of the domes, you know, remember when you look up and like they had a projector? Yeah, it looks like that, but like real life, I guess. So that's bigger too. Cool. Honey's in here. He just wants the light. Let's my bed?
Oh, yeah, why is it going down like
Oh,
that?
it's because I'm going down. Bebito.
Okay, Danita.
Okay, pues.
Have fun, enjoy it. Just beware anyways around.
I know. Orla has bear spray here. I
We
know.
got bear spray
Okay, my papi.
for
Yeah,
bears.
cuando estén aquí, remember I wanted to go to the animals donde fueron ustedes.
I know.
Honey.
We should go.
Yeah, we should go at least one of those. Se me hizo nice. Ustedes estarían como en la ventana. Huh?
Yeah, ahora Bebito puede ver.
Okay, guys.
Yeah. Porque
We're
it
gonna
was
go to
like
sleep
a huge
now.
window.
It was.
Alright, guys. So we're gonna go to sleep already.
You put everything far
Bebito
away?
no se aguanta. Ya vente ya.
Really?
Ya vente.
You put
Ya vente a dormir.
Really?
Huh?
You put the food far away?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ya vente. Come on, Nino, let's go to sleep already. Just go to sleep. Please go to sleep.
Oh wait, where's the phone stand?
It's right there.
Oh.
Okay, good night, guys. We're gonna go to sleep. Buenas noches. Hopefully we're okay after this video. And if you do find this video in a SIM card, upload my YouTube video.
Stop.
Alright, ladies. Vito, please just fall asleep. He's been like this for like a whole hour, not trying to sleep. Please go to sleep. And he's been yelling all night.